mukaba kudukurikirana gatanu ku kandi isa twongeye kugaruka kugira ngo tuguhe updates zihari zikaba ari update zibabaje cyane rero z'abanomwe bagera kuri babiri b'umutwe wa M23 bamaze guhura n'akaga. AFC ikaba imaze gushyira administration nshyashya ariko abenshi bakaba bakomeje guhunga. Alliance Fleuve Congo ikaba rero ikomeje kugenda uduce ikontorora idushyiramo cyane cyane ibikorwa bitandukanye birimo n'amabanki, ariko kugeza ubu ngubu bakaba bamaze gushyiraho rero n'ubuyobozi, bamaze ko officializa rero ubuyobozi muri province ya Nord Kivu na Sud Kivu, aho rero kugeza ubu ngubu birabice bakontorora byose birimo nomination nshyashya. Kugeza ubu hafashwe imyanzuro igera kuri ibiri yashyizwe kuri public kuri uyu wa gatandatu z'ukwezi kwa kane 2025. AFC ikaba yifuza rero ngo gusimbuza cyane cyane ngo icyuho kirimo cy'ubuyobozi, aho bashyizemo governance rero iri locale muri birabice, bagaragaza yuko bashyizeho ababurugumesitiri ndetse n'abashefu babungirije. Ni mu gihe rero hakomeje kugaragara ariko n'abandi bari baranomwe ahubwo bagahitamo kwihungira, bakaba bahungiye rero ku ruhande rw'u Rwanda, abenshi hakaba hari n'abambutse bakajya i Bunagana. Ni abayobozi bagera mu 8 bose bari baranomwe n'umutwe wa M23, ndetse baza kuza kumenyeshwa yuko Guverinoma ya Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Kongo ikomeje kubashyira ku rutonde rw'abashakishwa, ndetse n'abazagenda bahabwa ibihano bahitamo guhunga. Benshi bahungiye rero ku ruhande rw'igihugu cy'u Rwanda, abandi bajya ku ruhande rw'igihugu cya Uganda muri Nord Kivu kuri Masubabao Jean Louis, akaba rero ari we wahise unomwa asimbuye uwundi wahunze muri teritwari rero ya Rubero. Hanyuma haza no kunomwa witwa Rajabu Kwizera Elia nka adjoint we, ndetse hakaba hari na Kirumba witwa Munyandekwe Innocent niwe wahise uhinduka burugumesitiri, ndetse akaba afashijwe na Kavugo Janine. Na hariya muri Kayina hashyizwe uwitwa Kahinda Jean Baptiste, akaba ariwe banomye nka burugumesitiri, ndetse n'uwitwa Mumbere Simeon amubera adjoint. Mu gihe muri Kanyabayonga hashyizwemo Matimamo, akaba rero ariwe Matimano Jean, akaba rero ariwe ugomba kuyobora komine. Sud Kivu witwa Buseyi Jean Bosco niwe wanomwe nka administrateur wa teritwari ya Karehe, mu gihe rero ari kumwe na Ndaye Faustine nka adjoint we. Muri Kabare bashyizeho Eli Rubabura Espoir, akaba ariwe wanomwe, akaba afatanya rero n'uwitwa Chikuru Barakaziga, ndetse haza nanone kuba ku gihande cy'ijwi hashyizweho witwa Ntambuka Pascal ndetse na Muhanuka Mwezi Hamza, bose bakaba babanomye. Ndetse Walungu haza kunomwa witwa Shengamungu Ubuhendwa Anastazi, ndetse na Kasongo Mukenge. Muri ville ya Bukavu hari rero ababurugumesitiri bagera kuri babiri banomwe kuri komine ya Ibanda n'ibice bya Kadutu, hutibagiwe na Bagira. Ukagenda rero ukagera muri Minova, hakaba hari shefu wa site witwa Bariyahamwabo, akaba ari Bariyahamwabo Paulin, akaba ari we ugomba kuyobora kariya gace. Organisation rero ikaba yatangiye gukora, ndetse bakaba bashyizeho ubu buyobozi bushyashya mu rwego rwo gutanga governance muri ziriya zone zikontororwa n'umutwe wa M23, ndetse bakaba babonaga hari absence ya leta. Decision ikaba ije nyuma y'amezi agera kuri 2 Bahati Musanga Joseph ariwe uprokaramwe cyane cyane nka guverineri wa Nord Kivu na AFC, nyuma ya prise ya Goma ku wa gatandatu z'ukwa 2025. Akaba ari Epoque Kinshasa yari yakoze reaction yamagana mu buryo bukomeye haute trahison ikomeje gukorwa n'abemera kuba babanoma ngo bayobore mu gihe rero hatakira ubuyobozi bwa leta, ndetse bakavuga ko uyu mutwe wa M23 ari umutwe w'abateroriste uterwa inkunga n'igihugu cy'u Rwanda, bityo uzajya mu buyobozi bwawo azahura n'ibibazo igihe icyo ari cyo cyose byazarangirira. Turakunda turagaruka mu kanya tukugeza n'izindi updates.
turongera tugushimira kandi twifuriza ishyano ihirwe umukunzi wacu dore kudukurikirana gatanu ku kandi izi saha tuje kugira ngo tuguhe izindi updates kuva rero umutwe wa M23 watangira kurotira mu bice bya Warikare ntago wigeze uhabwa amahirwe yo kurotira utarashweho. Igisirikare cy'abazarendo kikaba cyarakomeje kugenda kiwubombarida mu buryo bukomeye, ndetse uyu munsi hakaba hakomeje kugaragara kuraswa cyane cyane kw'ibirindiro bisanzwe byarasigaye cyane cyane mu bice by'inkengero za Warikare. Ibi birindiro birimo birahatwa umuriro n'igisirikare cya FARDC gikoresheje rero ama attaque n'abazarendo, akaba rero imisozi itandukanye ikomeje kugenda iraswaho cyane cyane mu bice bitandukanye bya hafi ya centre ya Warikare. Ni rero ibikorwa byashyizwemo ingufu n'igisirikare cya FARDC nyuma y'uko FARDC imaze kuvumbura y'uko hakomeje kuvumburwa imibiri y'abantu bagiye bishwa n'umutwe wa M23 mu buryo bugamije gusiga icyaha ingabo z'igihugu cya Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Kongo. Umutwe wa M23 mu mabaze yawo ya gisirikare ukaba rero wakoreshaga kwataka ukajya mu baturage ugashimutamo abaturage ukabica, warangiza ukabagarura muri eneo zikontororwa na guverinoma. Varotire y'umutwe wa M23 yaba muri komine rirare ya Warikare abantu 23 nibo bamaze kuvumburwa imibiri yabo idafite ubuzima kandi yaratangiye kubora, ndetse no muri zone zose zihakikije. Mu mirambo igera muri 23, 8 ikaba rero yaravumbuwe kuri uyu wa gatanu z'ukwezi kwa 2024 ahitwa Ikangambiri. Ikangambiri rero ikaba ari naho rero igisirikare cya Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Kongo ibirindiro rero bya M23 byari bimaze iminsi giherutse kubimanyuza drone. Nyarusukura naho havumbuwe iyindi mibiri 5 ndetse haza no kuvumburwa iyindi muri Mubanda. Mu gihe iyindi mibiri yavumbuwe kuwa gatandatu z'ukwezi kwa 2024 i Kampala, ni rero entite nayo ya Warikare centre. Mu gihe iyindi mibiri igera ku 10 kuri uyu wa mbere yabonetse muri Mabalaka mu burasirazuba bwa komine rirare ya Warikare kuri rute yerekeza Warikare Goma. Iyi rute rero ikaba ariyo rute ikomeje kugenda igaragaraho abasirikare b'umutwe wa M23 batera ambuscade ku bazarendo ndetse n'abandi basirikare batandukanye b'igisirikare cya Repubulika ya Demokarasi ya Kongo. Iyi mibiri myinshi yagiye ivumburwa rero yambaye rero imyenda itandukanye, hari n'iyagiye ivumburwa yambaye uniform. Ni mu gihe kandi nanone amavisage bigoye kuba wayamenya kubera impamvu zuko yari yatangiye kwangirika. Kugeza ubu rero muri ziriya zone ndetse n'ahandi hakaba hakomeje kugenda bivugwa yuko haba hari iyindi mibiri myinshi itandukanye umutwe wa M23 wabarishwa agenda uyijugunya kuri kiriya gice. Kuri uyu wa 7 z'ukwezi kwa 2024 abareberi b'umutwe wa M23 n'abariye babo bakaba bageze Gashebere ndetse no kuri limite za teritwari za Masisi muri Warikare. Muri Gashebere rero akaba ari muri agglomeration ya teritwari ya Warikare iri muri kilometero zigera ku 150 uvuye muri centre ya Warikare, ndetse ni nko mu nkengero. Ikibatsi cy'umuriro w'amadrone ndetse n'indege za Apache 64 kikaba gikomeje gusunika mu buryo bugaragara abarwanyi b'umutwe wa M23 bakava muri Warikare centre berekeza mu bice bya hariya muri Gashebere. Turagaruka mu kanya tuguha n'izindi updates, komeza dukurikirane gatanu ku kandi. Turagukunda.
Throw anything at us, I'm never worried about that. I worry about one thing, which has lived on for centuries. It's for Rwandans. It's for Africans. Who sit back and find nothing wrong. Who sit back and find nothing wrong with accepting to be treated like that. It's my only worry. Rwandans. When can Africans refuse to be mistreated like this, to be told they have no value, to be told that their lives have to be lived as a result of a favor they are being done by somebody else. What a shame for people to accept that even for a moment. You must not accept it. You must get up and fight for yourself. And then you have fools leading countries and being used as puppets. And they are stealing from their own resources, which they should be putting to the good use of their own people and develop them. They just put everything to their own use, find billionaires in a sea of poverty, millions of people going hungry, and their leaders, billionaires, money that has been stolen from the resources of these people. And these are the ones received in Western capitals and praised. And when, Rwanda is being crucified literally at the UN, everywhere, these are the ones who show up and everybody is doing their bidding. They don't talk. These ones don't even say a thing. There is somebody to say it for them. They don't say a thing. Even in meetings where solutions are being thought about and drafted and so on, they are absent because somebody else is there. They are addressed there. When their name comes up, they say, no. You see, I see it on a daily basis. Somebody has agents, orders them, pays them to go everywhere preaching hate speech, killing people in broad daylight, setting fire on these people, burning in broad daylight. And when it comes up for discussion, they say, no, it's not this one. No. You see some other people, we look for them. But the person keeps coming up, he says, no, I will take the war to Kigali, I remove the government, these Tutsis, we are tired of them, like we were tired of them 31 years ago.